Welcome to Festive Flavors. How many kinds of paneer curries have you tried? Today we are going to make Makhana Paneer. Makhana or puffed up lotus seeds have a very delicate flavor and are full of health benefits and a great way to enrich your curries. They can be used in powdered form or as a whole. Here we have used them as whole. The subtle flavor is divine, and no wonder it is called the food of gods. What better way to have it other than with paneer? Try this recipe and you will agree. Please watch the video till the end to view tips and tricks, health benefits, and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Show me your creation on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook with tag @FestiveFlavors and #FestiveFlavors. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Also, please request for your choice of recipes in the comment section below. Now let's look at the ingredients. Paneer 750 grams, makhana 1 cup, green peas 3/4 cups, onions 1 cup sliced, tomatoes 1 chopped, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoons, bay leaves 2, cinnamon 1 piece, cumin seeds ½ teaspoon, cloves 4 to 6, green cardamom 6 to 8, green chilies 4 to 5 chopped. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder ½ teaspoon, garam masala 2 teaspoons, coriander leaves 1/4 cup, oil 4 tablespoons, salt to taste. Let's get started with the recipe. Take a pan in which you are going to cook the curry. Put a tablespoon of oil. Fry makhana on medium heat till they break easily by pressing between the thumb and your finger. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Alternatively, you can even dry roast the makhana. Take them out when they are done. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the paneer cubes. Take them out when they are golden brown in color. Now add another tablespoon of oil. There will be leftover oil from frying the paneer and makhana. Add cloves, cumin seeds, cinnamon, green cardamom, and bay leaves. Let them splutter. Now add sliced onions. Fry till golden brown in color. Add ginger garlic paste. Cook for a minute. Now add turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Cook for another 30 seconds. And now add 2 tablespoons of water so that the masala doesn't burn. Cook the masala till oil separates. Now add chopped tomatoes, green chilies. Mix everything together. Now add salt. Cover and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes or until the tomatoes are mushy. Now add green peas. Mix everything together. Add fried paneer cubes and roasted makhana. Mix well. Now add garam masala and mix again. Add 1½ cups of water and cover and let it come to a boil. Now let it simmer and cook on medium-low heat till the peas are done. It will take around 10 minutes. Makhana paneer is ready to be served with naan and kulcha. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy the divine flavor. Let's look at the tips and tricks for making makhana paneer. Roast the makhana to enhance the flavor. You can even dry roast the makhana on low heat for 7 to 10 minutes. Fry paneer to make them golden in color. Take care not to burn the masala, so add water after adding the dry masalas like turmeric, coriander and red chili powder. Cook the masala till oil separates. Cook the tomatoes till they are soft and mixed with the masala and there are no chunks left. Now let's look at the health benefits of makhana. Makhana are cholesterol, salt and fat-free, hence ideal for weight loss and heart disease. The enzymes present in lotus seeds have anti-aging properties and hence consuming makhana reduces signs of aging. They have high potassium content, hence beneficial for high blood pressure. They have astringent properties, hence benefit kidneys. They have high amount of calcium, hence good for bone health. They have low glycemic index, and this helps the diabetics. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.